Terry Johnson, one of the co-creators of the Quirkles. Today we have two young scientists with us as we demonstrate an Ollie oxygen activity. What is your name?
Rocco.
Rocco. And how old are you, Rocco?
6.
6 years old. And what grade are you in?
Kindergarten.
Kindergarten. And what is your name?
Cruz.
And how old are you, Cruz?
6.
6 years old. And what grade are you in?
Kindergarten.
Kindergarten. And do you boys like science?
Yeah.
Yes. Would you like to do a Quirkles activity?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Well, who can tell me what this is?
Water.
Water. Now, have you ever heard anyone refer to water as H2O?
Yes.
You have? And somebody will say, hey, I'm so thirsty. I really would like to have some H2O. What they're saying is that water has 2 hydrogen molecules and 1 oxygen molecule. We are going to talk about hydrogen peroxide, which is what is in your bottle. Now, this isn't the hydrogen peroxide like your mom might put on a cut. This hydrogen peroxide is the kind you have to get at a beauty supply store. It has an extra oxygen molecule in it, but you know what we need to do? We need to get that extra molecule out of our bottle. Now, how are we going to do that? How are we going to do that? How do you think we're going to do that? You don't know? Oh, I know. What if we call it? You think if we just call it to come out? Oxygen! Call it.
Oxygen.
Come out! Did it work?
No.
No, nothing happened. Well, what if we take our yeast? We have yeast in our plastic cup, about 1/4 teaspoon, and this is yeast. Now, do you know what we use yeast for? Your mom might use yeast to make some bread at home, and it makes it get bigger. It makes it rise. But today we're going to use it to bring the oxygen molecule out of our hydrogen peroxide. So we're going to take some warm water and we're going to put it in our yeast. And I would like for you to take your stirring stick and just stir
It
that.
stinks still.
It does still stink a little bit, doesn't it? And sometimes it does have an odor to it, doesn't it? Stir to where our yeast dissolves. That means it mixes in with the water and we can't even hardly see it anymore. But we want our oxygen to really bubble. What can we put in it to make it really bubble? Let's put in a little bit of dishwashing soap. So can you stir that up? We're going to stir
Hey,
that
you
up.
got some on you.
Oh, I'm sorry, but you know what? Scientists get messy. Oh, we got bubbles flying, don't we? Okay, let's stir it up. Now, you're going to be, what color are you going to be?
Blue.
You're going to be blue. I'm going to be yellow, and you're going to be red, Rocco. Those are the primary colors, aren't they? Now let's take our food coloring and let's put a few drops in our hydrogen peroxide and just kind of put a few drops in there and then just kind of stir, kind of mix it. That's enough, Bruce. There you go. And just kind of mix it. It didn't have to be. There we go. Just to make it a fun color. Just makes it more fun when it's colored. Can you kind of, there you go. All right, are we ready to bring that oxygen molecule out?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, well, take your stick out and let's pour it into our hydrogen peroxide and see what happens. Oh my goodness. Oh, what's happening? Oh my goodness, what's happening? Oh, what's happening?
Ow.
Are we getting oh, look at yours, Rocco. Yours looks like a big pile of toothpaste piled up, and look at mine. Now let's put our hand over it. How do you feel?
Ouchie.
Does it feel hot or does it feel cold?
Hot.
It feels hot because we're getting a thermal reaction. That is cool. Now stick your finger in it. Does it feel hot or does it feel cool? Well, that is fun, isn't it? Science sure is fun. Well, check out more science activities on www.corkles.com or on our YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye. Guys, can you say bye?
Bye-bye.